Hebei, ROI Home Decoration Materials Company Limited is a leading manufacturer specializing in premium wooden doors. Our 25,000 SQM facility houses 300 advanced production units and a 100-plus professional team, backed by 15 years of industry expertise. We offer comprehensive R&D, design, and manufacturing services for residential, commercial, and high-end projects. Our product portfolio ranges from modern minimalist to classic ornate designs, all produced through automated lines ensuring fast delivery, precision, and consistent quality. We provide complete OEM, ODM solutions tailored to client specifications. With strong innovation capabilities and strict quality control, we become the trusted partner for global developers, contractors, and distributors seeking reliable, scalable wooden door solutions. Our commitment to excellence and customer-focused approach continues to drive our success in the international market.